Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread out of old bananas. First, gather your key ingredient, very ripe bananas. Look for bananas with plenty of brown spots, as these are sweetest and easiest to mash. You'll need about 3 to 4 medium bananas, which should yield roughly 1 1/2 cups of mashed fruit. This ensures a moist and flavorful loaf every time. Next, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which helps the bread rise beautifully, and a small pinch of salt to balance the flavors. For an extra layer of warmth, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This simple blend sets the stage for a delicious loaf. Now for the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gently fold in your mashed bananas and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This creates a rich, flavorful base. It's time to bring it all together. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing only until just combined. Do not overmix. Pour the batter into a greased 9x5-inch loaf pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 55 to 65 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Enjoy your perfect banana bread.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.